Hey everybody, my name is Jack Arnold. I'm the owner of Arnold Electrical Services, and today I'm answering the question for you why your lights flicker in your house, okay? So as you can see, I'm standing next to a meter here. About 50% of the time your lights flicker in your house because there's an issue coming from the utility company, the power coming from the utility company into your house, okay? So that happens about 50% of the time, and what I would do when you have noticed flickering lights in your house is go talk to your neighbors. If they're having the same issue, it's a utility issue and you need to call Commonwealth Edison. Okay. A couple other issues you can't see inside your house are you could have corrosion inside your panel on your breakers, your main breaker, but could also be something as simple as cloth covered wire in your house. Look how loose that is. That's going to cause the lights to flicker if you got a lamp plugged in there or if you have a splice and it's spliced and going to the next box. Kind of like this one. This is spliced here, the neutral. That's all loose and burnt up. This is going to cause flickering lights in your house, whether you have something plugged in here or not, or something tied onto that burnt wire. Okay, so those are the main culprits of flickering lights in your house.